It's already 5 o'clock. 5:30. We woke up at 5 and now it's 5:30. But it's still dark.
But I woke up. When I woke up, my tummy became painful.
Why man?
Because I didn't eat today.
You didn't eat 5:30 pa gani? So go to the kitchen.
I'm very hungry.
Intay pagkaon na 5 pa.
Slice ako ang gamot. Kabalo naman ko.
Oh, gani, kabalo gani ka no. Sige na, maluto na yung uban diri ron. Pero nga. Oh no. Semua angkat yang hands ha? Hands ha? Mas ano ha? Ha? Ito yung ilaw.
Bola. Bisa, ayo sepi.
Hello friend, we got a collection of stones with different shapes. This is circle, but there's also another circle that Mama got, but it fell down going to the, I think it fell down going to the river. But I found something in the river when I swam.
What is it?
It was another rock.
So many stones there. Okay, next. What's next?
And you call this oval ducks.
Oh, hold on.
Mini heart.
Ay, they cannot show. Ay, they can show. They can see.
Mini heart. Mini heart. Mini heart.
Sige, next.
And after mini heart, it is
like
triangle.
Hello. You show your choice. Sige, next.
And after that,
the one that you saw.
Huh?
I don't know with you. Where you get that?
Square.
So that's why it's almost square. Okay. What this?
cabbage.
Cabbage shape. Sabi, iso, gani kini maklaro.
So funny, Kat. Do you know there's also cabbage shape in the rocks God created?
God created
See, this is
big stones, stones big and small. Like our blessings, big and small, it's still blessing.
this is a blessing, not a stone. This is a blessing, not a stone. God is good all the time.